Going on to Cedric Soares. This is not a glamorous signing, but it's a confident signing in fact that we can put someone in place to be a backup for Hector Bellerin. We know that Maitland-Niles has been doing a very good job. Very good job at right back. But I believe the reason why Arteta is going for Cedric Soares is because he wants to move Maitland-Niles inside in the midfield. He knows why he wants to move Maitland-Niles in the midfield. He can see why Maitland-Niles would be fit well in the midfield. I am not the coach, and as a coach, if you see that potential in a player, it definitely means that he knows what he's doing. I have no problem with it. And then that means that Cedric Soares is coming. If he's not good enough, then we'll replace him with a better right back. Maybe Max Aarons at Norwich. Could be a good signing. My preferred signing at that. Now the third thing would be Martinelli. None of us would expect that Martinelli would be such a big influence to our team. Martinelli came in as a pound signing, but he has made the biggest impact from our transfers so far. Thank you. Don't watch money, watch the impact.